多謝你哋參加我哋嘅慶典。
感謝你們參加我們的慶典。This particular journey of mine has ended. But yours has only just begun, fellow Voyagers.
雖然莫安娜嘅旅程已經告一段落，但係你哋嘅旅程先至啱啱開始咋。
你們的旅程才剛剛開始。
再見啦，冒險家！再見啦，朋友！
The Jungle Rebel Cruise is one of the coolest rides in the park here in Disneyland, Hong Kong. At syempre meron tayong safari guides take you on the river adventure through the jungle of the words. At syempre yung first attraction natin, yung tree house ni Tarzan here. And syempre marami rin tayo makikita ng mga animals dito like monkeys, zebra, elephants, and some of the Amazonas to the Okavango and the Mekong Delta. And also keep an eye out for the pipe and watch out to cannibals and headhunters. And also we can see here also the sacred temples, and pay attention that the fire and water gods are not acting up again. If they are, you might get caught in the middle of either a tsunami, a blessing river on fire, or both. So let's go.
Famous Jungle Cruise. I'm Pang and I will be your skipper and your swimming coach for your 3-day, 2-night romantic journey. And before we start our trip, please be reminded that it is a water ride, you may get wet, and do not put your hands or legs outside the boat, and take care of your own electronic gadgets and remain seated in the whole trip, alright? And now let's take a look of your right hand side over there. Any idea what is that? Whose house is that? Yes, hashtag tree house. Yes, no? Definitely no, because there are lots of crocodiles under the water, right? So if you guys want to go to the tree house, you can take the bus later where Tarzan is at home. And the whole river is around 4,000 miles long. But don't worry, of course I know the shortcut and we'll be starting our journey very soon. Okay, let's see who is that waiting for you guys. Who is that? Hello, that is a baby elephant and a mother elephant, and they are practicing how to drink water. Hello, this one, wait, thank you. So let's take it around. Be careful, one more time. That is the practice elephant. And you may not like the daddy elephant, it is over here. Be careful. Friends on the left hand side, be careful with this, it's coming out! Be careful, watch out! Okay, don't worry, Daddy Elephant loves to play with us. And now keep going. We are going to serious place, and there are 5 spiders in total. Let's count together, alright? 5 in total. 1, 2, 3. Where's the 4th one? Where's the 4th one? 4. Where's the 5th one? There. I'm just kidding, don't worry. And over there, that is the old Asian tackle with the god of elephant. Not there to touch it because it is poisonous. Once you touch it, you may easily get hurt. Now, keep going. You can see who's waiting for you guys over there. I want to know. Hello, crocodiles! And do you know what crocodiles love to eat? Meat, especially children's meat. So make sure you are always seated on a chair, then you will be safe, alright? And now we are at the Professor Potter's and James campsite. Oh god, there's so many gorillas, so even hold the gate, let's be careful guys. Let's go. Before they're shooting at us again, let's go. Okay, and now we are safe and in the African zone. For animals, can you see? Yes, and do you know how to distinguish the male and the female zebras? The male are the white one with black stripes, and the female one are the black one with white stripes, alright? And on your left hand side, that is the most handsome elephant ever. And do you know which is the most handsome one? On the right hand side! Make sure you do not make a bag, otherwise you will be in a big trouble when I can't save you at all. And now it's the show time for the hippo, and let's take a look. The hippo brush their teeth towards the kid, don't get too close, alright? Their mouth are really stinky. And now let me introduce to you guys. They were the passengers of my last boat. They accidentally jumped into the river. So do you guys want to save them or not? Or we'll just leave them alone? Okay, then bye bye, we will just ignore them. Now moving slowly, we are going into the headhunters territory.
Nakikita natin yung mga
Okay,
cultures
we're
na nandito.
gonna walk backward a little bit.
Ito yung kagandahan dito sa may DISNEYLAND. Aloe vera. Aloe vera. Aloe vera.
Okay, now we're at the headhunters territory. As you can see, there are lots of skeletons over there. So if you do not want to be the next what's how is that? Let's get our voice alright. Okay, so did anyone get shot? Did anyone get shot by the headhunter? Touch your head. The tummy, the hip. All are good to go, right? Very nice. And now we will have two ways to go back. Either go straight or turn right. Which way do you want to go? Okay, let's make a vote first. Who wants to go straight all the way forward?
Straight.
Raise your hand. Okay, I feel of you. Who wants to go to the right hand side then?
No.
Okay, seems a little bit more.
Bakit ano pa ba? Hindi natin makikita.
Are you guys sure about that?
Yes.
Okay, very nice. I will be going back very soon. And one more question before we go back. Do you all know how to swim? If we sink together, alright? And I don't know how to swim either. Be careful, guys! Be careful, be careful. Okay, finally, of course, we go to the right hand side. And now, here is the pan of God.
Wow.
Let's see who is sleeping inside. That is the God of Congratulations, guys!
Amazing!
You're all very brave adventurers.
So amazing.
Okay, and before we go back, we can see who is over there. Who is that? That is the baby elephant. Let's answer it. Hello. Okay, and I hope you guys enjoyed this 3 days 2 nights romantic ride. But if you don't, it's still fine because you'll be leaving me very soon. Alright? And before you go back, please make sure everyone's elbow, hands inside the boat, and then we'll be going back very soon. And I personally recommend you guys to watch the Halloween show. Did you guys watch it?
Not yet,
yet?
not yet.
The Halloween show.
Not yet,
It
not
is the
yet.
last day of the show, so if you guys want to watch
Oh,
it,
manood
enjoy
tayo
it.
ng show. Thank you very much. Saan?
And we can go back and say bye-bye to the baby elephant. Bye-bye! And later on when we arrive, make sure you do not climb across my window and only exit from the middle and the back. Otherwise, we will come to gorilla and then banana forever and ever, right? 2 more seconds to go. Hello! Hand! Watch out! Okay, very nice. We will be going 3 seconds.
This is great experience here in the
Okay,
Adventure.
bye-bye.
Nag-enjoy ba kayo sa first move ng video natin? Sa party naman dito is yung makikita natin is just only a barbecue site, Disneyland, Hong Kong. So, yeah, maraming mga tao rin dito kapag syempre magugutom kayo. You have to find some place to take a rest and take a beverage to eat something and yeah, relax. Kapag ka hindi ka nagmamadali syempre. And this is the area na malapit lang talaga sa the Jungle River here in Disneyland. Syempre, marami din tayong makikita sa paligid dito kung hahalugarin natin lahat ng area ng Disneyland Hong Kong. So ako sa pagsakay ko dyan sa river cruise na yan, ay nag-enjoy naman ako kasi siguro mga 3 times na rin ako nakasakay dito. Kaya may mga pagkakaiba man o wala is still the same, pero mag-i-enjoy ka pa rin ng paulit-ulit kasi how many times ka ba bago ka makarating dito. So, 'di ba, parang kapag ka pumapasok ka talaga dito is para kang nasa area ng isang movies ng Disneyland. So, as what I said last time in my video, ang Disneyland is part of the Disneyland Walt Disney production. So, kung ano yung nakikita natin, syempre doon sa movie na ginagawa nila na iba't ibang klase. So, nakikita rin natin dito sa loob ng jungle ng Disneyland Hong Kong. So, yan guys. At ilan lang yan sa mga nariritong na nakita ko sa inyo. So, hopefully that next time again sa susunod kong Disneyland tour here in Hong Kong ay makita natin yung kaubuan uli ng castle ng Disneyland Hong Kong. So, thank you so much for watching and see you soon again and goodbye. God bless.